Civil authorities are looking for a wanted terrorist Khaled al-Azad, who killed U.S. Marines when searching to take him alive. He set off a bomb at the nuclear plant in Azerbaijan. Civil authorities requested that all U.S. citizens must remain indoors. He might be on U.S. soil. U.S. Army, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard are on their way to search for al-Azad. If anyone is caught outside, you'll be arrested and sentenced to 15 years in prison with 2 felony charges of second-degree misdemeanor and insubordination. Stay tuned for further information.